right, a little rough. What's going on? We are 25-ish miles offshore, outside of the coast of Florida, just outside of Tampa Bay. Fishing. We got a research vessel behind us. But yeah, other than that, there ain't nothing back here. Pretty blue water in the sea. Just gonna try and fish. There's some structure here that we've come up on. We've got some squid, we've got some live bait. We actually, on the way out here, found some bait that we're running in the Tampa Bay, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. We also ran into a little bit of a shark situation. All of this is bait. Looks like it's raining. That's all bait, that's what we're after. Oh, we got a black tip. Oh yeah, he's gonna shred that. Can I get in the water?
No.
This shark's pissed. Well, you just threw a cast at him. He's off. He's off.
You had one in there. That's why you got it, because we have bait in it.
He shredded it too. So shortly after I just did that intro, that research festival that was behind us, yeah, actually radioed over and said, hey, we've got a acoustic, I'm assuming some type of water drone underneath us. So we had to move, and then they ended up radioing back and saying, hey, there's no fish there anyway. So we're at a new spot, got the lines down, see if we have any better luck here. Got one on, hopefully. Oh, yep, see the color?
Look, Izzy.
Looks like a snapper.
Oh.
Is this some type of snapper? Cool. First catch. Alright, Izzy's on something. She's double drag for you. Oh! Might be. Yeah, babe. Same fish.
Oh. What are they now?
So ideally.
Oh.
Yep, there you go. That works best for you. Broke off on his own. Nice first fish.
He's dying.
He's a long way from dying.
Stabbed Kobe with his spine. Bring him here, buddy.
Bro, we're trying to help you. No!
Oh man.
Dad's on another one. This is a good one here.
Dad caught her more.
Looks like an
These are what suctions up to like the side of the sharks and stuff. I know. Good size grouper. Do you want a picture? Because that's a video.
If I do the thing that you want me to do.
See him?
Wait, let me get my phone.
Release.
I wonder if
Had
they
to
don't
put you
like
down.
that it's
We got him off. And he swam away just fine. We've got a bunch of fish here, but there's actually like a huge school of snapper just kind of sitting maybe 10 feet below the boat. So we're gonna get in the water and give you a look.